Before. After. Open Alight Motion app. Click on plus icon. Select frame size Yount. Create project. Click plus icon, select media. Choose your pic or video. Now back to menu. Click plus icon. Choose square shape. Fill any color. Now cover your picture with square shape like this. Choose rounded rectangle 1 layer. Choose blend and opacity. Select differences. Click subtract. Now back to menu. Now select rounded rectangle again. Open effects. Add effects. Search copy background effect. Apply this effect now. Click on back arrow. Add effect again. Choose Gaussian blur. Set strength to 265. Add effect exposure, gamma. Copy that setting. Exposure 0.26. Gamma 0.870. Offset 0.07. You can see the results and difference. Export current frame as ping.